Hello, my name is Dr. Ryan Hart. I am owner and dentist here at Hart Dental in Eagle Mountain. I am born and raised here in Utah. I grew up in West Jordan and then left and went on my LDS mission to Russia. Served in the Ekaterinburg, Russia mission for 2 years. Love pottery is one of my passions. Just throwing pottery on the wheel, and I really enjoy that. As well as soccer, volleyball, golf. Those are things I always love to do. Most of my time, however, is spent with my family. They are really my everything. I love my family very much, and all my employees will attest that we do everything we can to support family. I met my wife at BYU. Her name is Trisha, and met her while she was in dental hygiene school, actually. And through her is where I really got interested in dentistry. I have 4 kids. Jason is my only boy. He's 10 years old. And I have 3 girls. Lizzie, Emily, and they are a fun bunch to be with. They're always very cute. Bella is my youngest. She's 4 years old and she has Down syndrome. I also, with my other kids, know the challenges with ADHD and autism. They're not easy. Especially as a parent, you know, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of difficult times, but love my kids so much. We do everything we can for them, and I feel through them I'm able to be more compassionate to my own patients. Have a passion for helping kids with Down syndrome. They are just the cutest kids ever, and I welcome all of them into my practice. I studied microbiology and immunology at BYU. I transferred over to UVSC for 2 years to get my associates in science because we were poor when we first got married. You know, living paycheck to paycheck and sometimes not even that. I transferred to UVSC to get my associates so that I could get a scholarship there and help with the cost of tuition. Got my associates with honors, then went back to BYU to finish my prerequisites for dental school, and went to dental school at the Ohio State University College of Dentistry. And I loved my experience over there. They are a fantastic school, and I feel very well trained. Special experience that one of there was a program called the Ohio Project. The Ohio Project is where we serve underserved communities throughout Ohio, and we had some fantastic experiences of learning and serving people out there. And I'll always be grateful. I felt very prepared to come into real life dentistry after dental school. We moved directly back out here to Utah, moved to Eagle Mountain, so we've lived out here for 6.5 years now. Right after school I started working for Legacy Dental up in Sugar House, and I loved my experience there. It was a father and son practice, and they were very good with me. They taught me a lot, and I got to learn so much about how to take care of my patients. Then after that, I worked for Monarch Dental while I built my practice here in Eagle Mountain. And that took quite a bit of planning, about 1.5 years, 2 years to get the planning and the building done. We opened November 2008 and have never looked back. We've loved being here and serving this Eagle Mountain, Saratoga Springs, Lehi area. I really appreciate all of our patients who have supported us through these first bumpy 4 years. Things I love about dentistry: I love being able to serve people. I feel like since I was a little kid, I knew I wanted to work with people or serve people, and I wanted to work with my hands. Those are the 2 things I knew as a little kid, you know, probably as little as 6 or 8 years old. I knew I wanted to do that. At first I thought I wanted to be a vet. Now that didn't pan out as I became allergic to every animal with fur. I met my wife while she's in dental hygiene school, and I really got interested in it at that point. I spent a lot of time being her guinea pig, and also talking with a supervising dentist at her school. And I learned so much about it, and I just fell in love with it. Since then, went to school, and now we're here. And I feel like it's my chance to serve people. That's my calling in life. I know that for sure. And it's my opportunity to help people get healthy, help people with low self-esteem because of their oral health and their smile. I get to help them walk out of the store smiling like they've never smiled before. That's one of my favorite things, is having people come back after we've done work, whether it's just basic cleanings to get their smile healthy, whether it's fillings to take care of some small cavities or all-out crowns or veneers. We've done it all, and those every single one of those patients, I remember when they look in the mirror for the first time after we get that work done and just grin ear to ear. And that's one of the highlights of my life in dentistry, is I love helping them. And they boost their self-esteem every day. They go out smiling more, and they feel so much stronger about themselves because of what I was able to do to help them. And that's my favorite part about dentistry. I love it, and I'll be doing it until I die, probably.